The Ayodhya dispute is one of India's longest-running legal battles. It is also one of the most politically charged. Weeks before an all-important Gujarat state polls, the Supreme Court is beginning a daily hearing on the matter starting today. Jessica Taneja tells us how the case is poised.
2010 saw a landmark judgment. Lord Ram's birthplace, the land on which Babri Masjid was constructed. The land that has been the subject of dispute for 7 decades in independent India, was divided into 3 parts by a state court, one for each litigant. The decision was challenged, and now the country's top court is beginning daily hearing to resolve it once and for all.
कोर्ट से तो उम्मीद है सबके, पूरा हमको नहीं, पूरा देश की उम्मीद है कि कोर्ट पर विश्वास करता है, कोर्ट से उम्मीद है कि कोर्ट जल्द से जल्द निर्णय देगा.
So what is the Babri Masjid Ram-Janambhoomi case all about? It is believed that Lord Ram was born here 900,000 years ago in a room located under what was the central dome of the Babri Masjid. The masjid was built on the orders of Mughal Emperor Babur in the 16th century. It was demolished by Karsevaks or Hindu volunteers on December 6, 1992, sparking nationwide riots. Years of court cases and political bickering followed. On September 30, 2010, the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court ordered an equal division of the land into 3 parts for the UP Sunni Central Waqf Board, the Nirmohi Akhada and Ram Lalla, the deity. The order was challenged in the Supreme Court. In May 2011, the court stayed the decision, calling it a leap of faith. Since then, status quo has been maintained. The land remains disputed. A lone priest conducts prayers in the makeshift temple built at the site, a custom legitimized in the Ayodhya Act of 1993.
If it is held that it is Sunni Waqf, then only the Pandora box may be opened and the entire gamut of arguments may be held, because Shia people have already settled their dispute with the claimants of Mandir. Of course, with their idea that the government shall provide them 1 acre land, because there the total land is 2.7 acres and 1/3 the High Court said that works out to 0.9 acres.
The case has massive political ramifications. Constructing a Ram temple has been the ruling BJP's election promise for decades. The court's decision to revive criminal conspiracy charges against senior BJP leaders including L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi and Uma Bharti in the Babri Masjid demolition case only added fuel to the political fire over the Ayodhya dispute. Just months ago, the UP Central Shia Waqf Board had said that they've reached a settlement with the non-Muslim stakeholders to construct the temple in Ayodhya, and said the board will undertake the expenses of constructing a mosque somewhere in Lucknow. If the settlement is reached and the Apex Court agrees, matters will be little different from here. But it is up to the Apex Court to decide on how it looks at the entire issue starting tomorrow. Jessica Taneja, WION, New Delhi.
The first hearing on Ayodhya will begin today at 2 p.m. Let's listen in to reactions coming in.
जो अयोध्या मसले पे सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुनवाई शुरू होने जा रही है, इससे हम सब लोग बहुत पुरुम्मीद हैं। न सिर्फ ये कि पूरे हिंदुस्तान की आंखें इस केस पे लगी हुई हैं, बल्कि पूरी दुनिया के लोग इस केस को बहुत ही दिलचस्पी के साथ देख रहे हैं। और जाहिर सी बात है, हम लोगों को पूरी उम्मीद है कि जो डे टू डे हियरिंग का कोर्ट ने फैसला किया है, ये बहुत ही वेलकम फैसला है, बहुत अच्छा फैसला है।
देखिए, जहाँ तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सवाल है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का इस विषय में बिल्कुल साफ हमारा स्टैंड है, बहुत क्लैरिटी है, हमने अपने मैनिफेस्टो में भी जिक्र किया है। अब ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आज से सुनवाई इसकी शुरू हो रही है। अब जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट अपना रेगुलर सुनवाई करेगी, और आप हमें इस वक्त कोई स्पेकुलेशन नहीं करना चाहिए, कोई स्पेकुलेट नहीं करना चाहिए।